It's pretty cold. It's like pretty chilly. I've got my stole or shawl. I really don't know where my jumpers and where our sweaters are. I mean, that's probably in one of those packings and bags that we have. We'll take a day or two to kind of find out. But yeah, the stole is kind of doing pretty, keeping me warm. Um, there's a lot of cleaning, a lot of saaf safai which is going on, and I've been kind of asked to stay away from the cleaning process because I tried my hand and I failed. So my skills in cleaning the house is not up to the mark. Hence, kind of, I'm waiting outside for me to get the signal from her that I can come in now. And let's see maybe what's going on inside. There's a lot of cleaning, lots and lots of साफ सफाई and ये सारी चीज़ें हो रहा है. So I think let's see what's happening.